Few months ago, I made a video on how to get free virtual or physical card on Bybit. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. But in this new video, I'm going to make a video on how to get stuff in AliExpress using Bybit Card. Basically buying stuff in AliExpress at a cheaper rate, at an affordable rate than other platforms. You might be asking, how do you fund your Bybit Card? Don't worry, Bybit already have an option for P2P trading. So if I open my Bybit app, and go to cards, you're going to see that I have $12.52 US in my Bybit card. So how do you fund it? If you want to fund your Bybit card, you can use P2P trading, and their rate is very attractive. So when you buy USDT using P2P trading, you automatically have dollars to buy stuff in AliExpress. So now let's go to AliExpress. I'm going to use it to pay for these three stuff that is in my chart. So I'm going to click on them and select the Bybit card and click on pay. Almost done. Just wait a moment. Payment successful. As you can see right here, I have paid for these items using my Bybit Virtual card in my account. You can see right here, authorization of $5.79 US at AliExpress was made on this date. So that's how you buy stuff in AliExpress using your free Bybit card at a cheaper rate. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.